Welcome to this very quick overview of Practice IQ. During this overview, I want to cover off three main areas. First up, just a quick idea of what PIQ or Practice IQ is, followed by how it can be performed within your business, and finally, just to highlight some of the benefits of Practice IQ. First of all, what is Practice IQ? Well, it's a separate solution to the underlying practice management database. It's a full data warehousing and analysis tool. It sits over the practice management solution and extracts information out for easy reporting purposes. How it performs in the firm is effectively, as I said, it extracts the information from practice management and transforms it into various data sets that are easy to understand and easy to present through the various formats available through Practice IQ. Those formats can range from straightforward dashboards to list reports, even to the point where you can access directly from Excel and create your own reporting in an ad hoc manner. I'll just swap to one of the screens that Practice IQ shows, and this is the intranet site that gives access to the dashboard reporting I was talking about. So this is probably the most common way of presenting Practice IQ information. It's an intranet site governed by a security model, and the intranet site is flexible in terms of what you can show through here, the naming conventions, sections, and drill and menu options. What we have is an out-of-the-box dashboard solution that should cover most of the requirements for a firm analysis and reporting. In this example, we've got firm analysis, so at a very top level we can chunk right up to some KPIs, some specific KPIs for the firm across staff, debt, WIP, and so on. We can also do history, in this case back 12 months based on the month that's selected for those same KPIs. We can take these formats and also slice them across the different attributes in your practice management system. What I mean by attributes are things like sections of department or managers or staff or partners and so on. You could add to these from the practice management point of view in terms of teams and so on, or offices if you need that, or require that through your practice management system. The system is flexible enough to pick that up if you need it. So in terms of performance within the firm, this solution renders the information that's required by the different areas of the business to do their jobs. What we're looking at here is potentially the equivalent of a month-end reporting or weekly reporting to see how the firm is going. But the different sections there you can see around CRM and tax are more operational focused. So individuals can go and see exactly how things are tracking and work from those and use it in conjunction with the practice management system. So some of the benefits of Practice IQ is, or the main one, is visibility. You can see exactly what is going on in your systems at any one time and make decisions on those measures and create actions based on those decisions. You do have the flexibility of just using these dashboards, or as I said, in Excel you have a more ad hoc nature. And the beauty is that you are accessing the same data in the background, so you're safe in the knowledge that the information is sound and it can be trusted at all times. There are different data sets in the background based on the different structures, so we have separate data sets for staff utilization, WIP and debt, the workflow and tax and CRM side of things. But the advantage in this case of the dashboards here is that we can combine all of those into one area to give you an overview. Using these dashboards, you can then drill through for the details. So if you see any exceptions, good or bad, you can actually understand within a couple of clicks what's making up those details. So just in a quick overview then, as we've said, Practice IQ is a reporting and analysis tool that sits over the top of your practice management database and presents the information that is entered through the practice management database in forms that are easily understood by every level of the business. all that's left for me to do is say thank you very much for listening to this very brief overview of Practice IQ.